In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Xero. We'll move through the process from start to finish so you can confidently raise accurate orders without missing any key details. First, log into Xero and head to the Purchases area. From there, open Purchase Orders and select New Purchase Order. This opens the order page where you'll build out the details. Start by selecting the supplier contact. Pick the correct supplier from your list so the order links to the right account and any future bills match up smoothly. Next, set the date raised. This is the date you're creating the order, and it's used in your reporting and approvals timeline. Add the delivery date to confirm when you expect the goods or services. Being realistic here helps your team and the supplier align on timing. Take a moment to review the order number. Xero usually assigns one automatically. Make sure it follows your internal numbering sequence and avoid duplicates. If your workflow calls for it, enter a reference. This could be a job code or project ID, anything that helps your team and the supplier recognize the order quickly. Choose the currency for the order, especially important if you're purchasing internationally. Then select the tax option to reflect whether amounts are tax-inclusive, exclusive, or not taxed, depending on your jurisdiction and agreement with the supplier. Now add your products or services in the item table. Use clear item names or codes so the supplier knows exactly what to deliver. Enter the quantity and price for each line, and keep an eye on units and decimals to avoid small errors that can cause big discrepancies later. Add the delivery address where the goods should arrive. If your delivery location differs from your main business address, make sure this is precise to prevent delays. Enter attention details if needed to direct the shipment to a specific person or team, and add a telephone number so the courier or supplier can reach someone on delivery day. In the delivery instructions field, include concise notes that help the driver or warehouse, such as access details or preferred receiving hours. Before you wrap up, review the purchase order total. Check item lines, currency, tax settings, and the final amount so everything matches your expectations. When you're satisfied, click Save. You can then choose Save and Close. To finish, save and add another if you're creating more orders, or submit for approval if your organization uses approvals. If everything is ready and you have the right permissions, click Approve to confirm the purchase order is finalized and good to go.